Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am back with a new tutorial. So today's look is a warm smoky eye. It's got like a bit of negative space, cut crease, you know, the works, and glitter as well, so you know everyone's happy. So yeah, this is today's tutorial. If you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy the video, please let me know down below by liking, subscribing, or please do comment, and yeah, I will get straight into it. Okay, so the palette I'm going to use today is the Morphe 3502 palette. This is like the second nature palette, and I'm first going to go into this red shade, which is called Fire, and I'm just going to work this in through my crease and just creating like a cut crease shape, so winging it out quite far. And then to really darken this up, I'm going to go into this burgundy shade, which is called Chestnut. And I'm just going to use that colour just to deepen it up. So putting it in the same place, but a little bit lower, a little bit closer to the crease. And then also blending it out. Now that's all blended, I'm going to take some foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to use this to cut out the crease. I'm then going to go into the Morphe gel eyeliner in Slate, and I'm going to do quite a big wing, like I've done on this eye, and then I'm just going to stop about halfway, leaving like a little bit of empty space where we're going to put the gold glitter eyeliner afterwards. I hope that made sense, but like I always say, it will, you know, it'll be easier to see than it will be to explain. And this doesn't have to be perfect because you can always clean it up with some concealer on the top, and I'm going to clean it up with a wet wipe underneath as well. So yeah, this is kind of one of them looks that like you can kind of, it looks a lot harder than it is because you can always use some concealer or like use a wipe to clean it up. But anyway, I'm going to go into the black shade, which is called Whiz, and I'm just going to go over that gel eyeliner just to make it more black, but also to help the other shadows we're going to use blend into the black. And then I'm going to go into this shimmer shade, which, I hope that's still on me. I'm then going to go into this red shimmery shade, which is called Ruby. And I'm going to place this onto the centre part. Again, just leaving that negative space line above. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect because you can always go back in with a concealer and just cut out that negative space again. And then I'm just taking the tiniest bit of the black to blend it into the red shades. And then I'm going to go into this gold shade here, which is called, what's it called? Pure. Here. And I'm just going to put this on the rest of the space. And then I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner Pen. This is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I'm going to do a few layers of this because it's not super opaque. So I'm going to do one layer, let it dry, then another layer, and then we'll see how it is. But I'll probably do a few layers just because I want it to be really obvious. And this is quite sheer, I think. I don't know if anyone else agrees, but yeah, yeah, that's what I'm going to use anyway for the cut crease. And then I'm going to take the Olivia Bell lashes in Kimmy and glue these onto my lids. I'm then going to take the MUA eyeliner in Jet Black and I'm going to run this on the waterline. This eyeliner comes with a sharpener in its lid as well, so it's amazing. Okay, so unfortunately my camera stopped recording when I was doing the lower lash line, so this is the finished look. All I did was run the black and the red underneath the lower lash line, so you haven't missed loads. But just to clarify, unfortunately my camera did stop. But anyway, this is the finished look and I really hope you guys enjoyed. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought of the video. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. And yeah, thank you once again for watching. I do appreciate it very much. I will see you all very soon. Thank you once again. Bye everyone.